Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and let me introduce you to my new favorite mascara. This is the 5D Lash Pow Mascara from Makeup Revolution. Now, it has a really innovative design where instead of unscrewing, you push to unlock it. This makes it so that each time you use it, you are dipping the wand into the mascara to coat the brush. The wand is very big and fluffy. This really is a volumizing mascara. It really coats each and every lash. It also lengthens my lashes, and I just notice how much my lashes stand out when I use this mascara, which is exactly what I'm looking for. It is also very affordable, which is a huge plus since I will be repurchasing it. I love it when an impulse buy becomes a staple for my makeup routine. So now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.